Guys, so today I'm hanging out in Florence and I have wine and pasta for breakfast. I had sleep for dinner yesterday because it was storming like crazy, but today, as you can see, it's pretty sunny. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy a nice breakfast. It's beautiful out here. About to go see some nice Italian landmarks. Get the day started. It's going to be good.
Penso che un sogno così non ritorni mai più. Mi dipingevo le mani e la faccia di blu. Poi d'improvviso venivo dal vento rapito e incominciavo a volare nel cielo infinito. Vola. Dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù, su, 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 vola.
This motherfucker's not playing Game of Thrones. Now he's playing Game of Thrones. That shit was pretty awesome.